Hi guys, it's Miss Ashley here, and I've got a fun craft we're gonna do today. It's kind of like a craft and also like a draw with me because there's a bit of drawing involved. But first I need to clear something up. Somebody kept asking me why I wasn't telling any pizza jokes. Guys, they're just too cheesy. Right? Because it's pizza. Anyway, let's get started. Hi! So for this craft, I'm using 2 sheets of white paper, my glue, a black marker, a paintbrush, my washable colored markers, and scissors, 1 sheet of paper towel. Now, the first thing I'm going to do on one of my white pages is a little bit of drawing. I'm going to do 2 fence posts, or I guess clothesline posts, that I'm going to hang my shirts from. I put a little bit of grass on the bottom and a curved line. So this is going to be my backdrop. Now it's time to take the paper towel, fold it 3 times, and I'm going to draw the outline of a t-shirt. Now you can do this with a pencil, that works too. I just had my marker handy. Once I've drawn the outline, I'm going to cut out the shirt. Now you want to try and make sure not to have any marker on the shirt. Okay, the next step is to add my washable markers. Now, you need to press hard so that you can get lots of the ink onto the paper towel. This will help when you add the water. I made a swirl design and a couple other tie-dye designs. I added purple, orange, blue, green, yellow, red, and now it's time to add some water. So I took my paintbrush and just got the picture a little bit wet. This way the colors will blend together. Now once they are dry, you can apply them to the page. This is where I used my glue. I just did 3 little drops of glue and stuck my 3 little t-shirts onto the page. Just like that. And then later I just went in with my black marker and kind of added the clothespins holding up the shirt. Well, there you have it, guys. It was a fun craft. I hope you guys had fun. We'll see you next time. Bye.